Hi, this is Kevin Decapity, and in this video, you will learn how to use Luna in app mode in order to give you one-tap, quick access to Luna from a convenient home screen icon. So you may be asking, what's app mode? Since Luna is in the cloud, this means that you can access it from any web browser. While this is really convenient and flexible, it poses some challenges to using Luna on your smartphone or tablet. For instance, you have to open up the web browser, pop up the keyboard, and thumb type your way to the website, probably making a few errors along the way too. Then you go to log in and again pop up the keyboard so you can enter your email and password. In this example, my login credentials are saved in my phone, so I can use Touch ID to log in quickly. Still though, that's kind of a lot of steps, especially if you only want to see the current transits. On top of all that, once you are logged in, there's a lot of browser Chrome taking up valuable screen space. That's the stuff like the address bar at the top and the navigation controls at the bottom. So wouldn't it be nice if all these inconveniences could go away and you could use Luna just like a regular mobile application? Well, with app mode, you can. Here's how. Start by visiting the website www.lunaastrology.com. All you need to do is load the homepage. You don't need to log in yet. Next, you want to find the share option on your phone. Now, this video is showing an iPhone running the Safari web browser, but you can do this on any Android phone or tablet as well. It will just look a little different. The most important thing to know in any case is that you are looking for the Add to Home Screen option. Since all devices and browsers are slightly different, you may need to hunt around a little to find it, but it should be easy to locate. Once you select Add to Home Screen, you'll see a confirmation screen that's similar to this one. Everything is ready to go, so you don't need to change anything. Just confirm the operation. In this example, that means tapping Add in the upper right corner, and you'll be all set. When you return to your home screen, you'll now see a Luna icon that you can move around anywhere you like, just like all your other apps. Now tap the icon to launch Luna, and the first time you do, you'll see the login screen. Now this next part is up to you, but I like to select the Remember Me checkbox so I don't have to log in again and again. Of course, if you share your device with someone, that means they could access your Luna account. So please be aware of whether or not you want to do this. In this case, I'll check the box and log in. Now you can see how Luna is working normally, except there's no more browser Chrome anymore. This means Luna is operating in app mode, which allows it to take up the full screen. But it actually means a little bit more than that. For instance, when I view all of my currently open apps, notice that Luna is listed as its own item. The phone is seeing Luna as a native mobile application. I can swipe it away, and when I reopen it, I pick up right where I left off. Keep in mind that Luna can run in app mode on any Apple iPhone or iPad and any Android tablet or phone as well. I hope you enjoy using Luna as much as I enjoy creating it. Thanks for watching this video, and cheers.